Hello everyone, I am Monica. In this video, I am going to do this reading passage. How baby talk gives infant brains a boost. How baby talk gives infant brains a boost. I am reading twice a time this title because in this way you are aware you are going to read about this topic only for the next 20 or 15 minutes. If it depends on you whether you are finishing this reading passage within 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, this is academic reading passage 2 from IELTS 13 and test 3. Let's start it. These are the instructions here. You should spend about 20 minutes on questions 14 to 26 which are based on reading passage 2 below. Okay, how baby talk gives infant brains a boost. The passage has been divided into these kinds of paragraphs, small paragraphs A, B, C and up to F we have, and up to F we have given this paragraph. Okay, let's look at the type of questions we have in this passage. First type of question we have here, match each idea with the correct researchers. After looking at this box, we come to know we have to match these persons or researchers with the ideas. Okay, next we have complete the summary below in the form of fill in the blanks, and third one is we have which paragraph contains the following information. Which paragraph contains the following information. Okay, let's start this reading with the first type of question we have. Okay, we have here question 14 to 17. Look at the following ideas, question 14 to 17. Okay, these are the ideas 14, 15, 16, 17, and the list of researchers. We have list of researchers also. Write the correct letter E, B or C in boxes 14 to 17 on your answer sheet. Always write your answers in the answer sheet only, not on this question paper. Okay, and B, you may use any letter more than once. Which letter? These letters A, B or C. Why you can use it twice? You have to use it twice, any of these letters, because there are the list of ideas are 4 and the list of researchers, list of persons are only 3. So you have to repeat any one of these researchers for giving the answers in this. Okay, first let's read the type list of researchers: Mark, Niren and Patricia. Okay, let's read the options also. The importance of adults giving babies individual attention when talking to them. Okay, before doing it, let me tell you one thing. This is a step by step explanation. I'm not following any time limitations, because time limitation I am not following it anymore, because if you already know how to find the location and how to find the answers from the reading passage, then only you can finish this reading passage within 15 minutes or 18 minutes or 20 minutes. First you have to follow how to find the answers and find the answers from the question, then you can practice it more within time limit. Okay, let's not waste time. The importance, 14th is the importance of adults giving babies individual attention when talking to them. The importance of adults giving babies individual attention, okay, when talking to them. The importance of adults, yes, we will be looking for these words, the importance of adults and individual attention when talking to them. Second is the connection between what babies hear and their own efforts to create speech 16th is the advantage for the baby of having 2 parents. The advantage, okay, here the importance and in this connection, and here the advantage for the baby of having 2 parents, each speaking in a different way. Okay, the connection 17th is the connection between, here it is again the connection between same thing, the amount of baby talk, babies here, the amount of amount is how much they are they used to hear other babies talk, and how much vocalizing them do themselves. Okay, let's look at this researchers first. Okay, let me tell you one more thing for this. These types of questions, they are not in sequential order. It means you may get answer like 14th in first paragraph, or second answer you may get in last paragraph or third paragraph. It means they are not in order wise. You have to find it according to the person. Wherever you find this person's name, you can find the answers there. Let's look at the word markdown. Markdown, you have, see how I am doing it, you have to do like this only, otherwise you will be wasting your time by reading all the lines here. Yes, in C paragraph I got this word markdown. From wherever you find the word in this researcher's name, this person's name, you have to you have to read the whole paragraph, or it is important to read the lines wherever it is given, like study, like explains it. Wherever you find the word like inverted comma statement, you have to read it carefully for getting the answer. Okay, but they interacted. Okay, we found inverted comma, we found that moms do exactly what you would expect, and what has been described many times over. Van Damme explains. Okay, but again inverted comma, but we found that dads aren't doing the same thing. Dads didn't raise their pitch or fundamental frequency when they talk to kids. Okay, their role may be rooted in what is called bridge hypothesis, which dates back to 1975. It suggests that fathers use less familiar language to provide their children with a bridge to kind of they will hear. The idea is that kids gets to practice a certain kind of speech with mom and another kind of speech with dad, so the kid has a wider repertoire of kinds of speech to practice, says Van Damme. Here it is given clearly, moms are doing something different and dads aren't doing the same thing. Let's read the importance of adults giving babies individual attention when talking to them. The connection between what babies hear and their own efforts. Nothing is given about to create speech. The advantage for the baby of having two parents, each speaking in a different way. Yes, in a different way it is given. Yes, moms do exactly what you would expect and what's described many times, but we found that dads aren't doing the same thing. Dads aren't doing the same thing. It means for 16th we have got the answer here, A. Okay, next is we have Nyren. Let's look at this researcher. Till here we have done scientist. Okay, in this paragraph nothing is given about this researcher. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, yes, I got this person here, I got this researcher here. Okay, let's read it from the upper part, wherever we found the inverted comma and study. Okay, the study found that the more baby talk parents used, the more their youngsters began to babble. Babble here means to speak early or to speak more. And when researchers saw the same babies at age 2, they found that frequent baby talk had dramatically boosted vocab, and regardless of socio-economic status, those children who listened to a lot of baby talk were talking more than the babies that listened to more that listen to talk, adult talk or standard speech. That was in inverted comma, says Nairan, okay, of the university. Again inverted comma. We also found that it really matters whether you use baby talk in a one-on-one context. One-on-one, yes, I think we have read it somewhere. In another word we have found in questions, in list of ideas. She says the more parents use baby talk one-on-one, the more babies babble, and the more they babble, the more words they produce later in life. Okay, let's look at that questions. The importance of adults giving babies individual attention. Yes, individual attention. Yes, I told you one on one, it is given in the paragraph. One on one, you understand, like we have IELTS speaking interview, one on one interview. So here it is given the importance of adults giving babies individual attention when talking to them. Yes, it is given very clearly. Let's read it. We also found that it really matters whether you use baby talk in a one-on-one context. She adds, it means for 14th we will be having B, researcher, and of course the connection between, okay, the connection, yes, baby talks, yes, it is also given here. Boosted vocabulary and listening to a lot of baby were talking more than the babies that listen to. From here we can read it again. The study found that the more baby talk parents used, the more youngsters began to babble. From here to here it is given. Yes, the connection between the amount of baby talk babies hear and how much vocalizing they do themselves. Okay, from here to here also, and researchers saw the same babies at age 2. They found that frequent baby talk had dramatically boosted vocabulary regardless of socio-economic status. Those children who listen to a lot of baby talk were talking more than the babies, then listen to more adult talk or standard speech. It means we are having another idea in the same paragraph. The connection between the amount of baby talk babies hear and how much vocalizing they do themselves. It means again B will come. Okay, now we have left with C and we have left with one only. You can write it C, but I am telling you, please verify it before doing it. Let's look at the word Patricia. Okay, now we have this. Till here we have done. Now we have left with E and F paragraph. Let's look at the word Patricia. You Linda Polka. Okay, no, we have to look for, yes, Patricia Cool. Yes, we have Patricia. Yes, let's look at this. Okay, let's read it from here. The infants were placed in a brain activation scanner that recorded activity in a brain region known to guide the motor movements that produce speech. The results suggest that listening to baby talk prompts infant brains to start practicing their language skills. Finding activation in motor area of the brain when infants are simply listening is significant because it means the baby brain is engaged in trying to talk back right from the start, and suggests that 7-month-old brain are already trying to figure out how to make the right movement that will produce words. Produce words mean they start talking. Or okay, says co-author Patricia Cool. Another interesting, okay, no, from here we have to read it about him only. So here the results suggest, and from here we can read from here to here to find the answer. Let's read the option. The connection between what babies hear and their efforts to create speech, and their efforts to create speech is given here, is significant because it means the baby brain is engaged in trying to talk back right from the start, and suggests that 7-month-old brains are already trying to figure out how to make the right movement that will produce words. It means to create speech. See, you have to read it twice or thrice, but very fastly, in order to match this sentence as well as in the paragraph. So we have done this. The next type of question we have here is, let's look at this. Complete the summary. These are the instructions. Choose no more than 2 words. Now we have to use only 2 words or 1 word, but not 3 words from the passage. Write your answers in boxes in the answer sheet. Okay. Research into how parents talk to babies. Okay. Let's read it and do it. Researchers at Washington State University. First of all, we have to find this word in the passage. Washington State University. It means from here we can get these answer. Here onwards. Use dash together with specialized computer programs. Okay. What the colleagues equipped parents with recording devices. What they were using? Washington State University at dash and colleagues equipped parents with recording devices and speech recognition software. Speech recognition software is specialized computer programs. Computer programs is software. They have given it software. Instead of computer programs, the writer has used the word software. So, researchers, where are the researchers here? Okay, according to a new study, Mark Van Deven of Washington State University at Spokane and colleagues equipped parents with recording devices. Let's write it here. Recording devices. Recording devices with specialized computer programs to analyze how parents interacted with their babies during a normal day. Okay, next is the study revealed that tended not to modify their ordinary speech. Okay, next is to study the way that they interacted with their youngsters during a normal day. Till here we are done. Next is the study revealed that we found that moms do exactly what you would expect, that what has been described many times over when explains, but we found that dads aren't doing the same thing. Okay, the study revealed that tended not to modify their ordinary speech. Tended. Okay, we found that moms do exactly what you would expect and what has been described many times. Okay, but we found that dads aren't doing the same things. Okay, yes. Revealed that tended not to modify it. Here it is given. Who is not tended? Who is not modifying their ordinary speech patterns? Dad. Here it is given. Dads. Yes, dads. Just write it here. Dads. It is given very clearly. What moms do exactly what you would expect and what has been described many times over, but we found that dads aren't doing the same thing. Dads didn't raise their pitch or frequently or fundamental frequency when talk to kids. Here it is given tended not to modify their ordinary speech patterns when interacting with their babies, according to an idea known as. Okay, now known as, you will definitely get called as or referred as. Let's look at the next lines. Their role may be rooted in what is called the bridge hypothesis. Yes, as I told you, according to an idea, let's read it properly, but they may use a more adult type of speech to prepare infants for the What is called the which date backs to it suggests that father uses a less familiar language to provide their children with a bridge to kind of speech. Let's write the fill in the blanks. Called the bridge hypothesis. Called the bridge hypothesis. Okay. They may use a more adult type of speech to prepare infants for the language they will hear outside the family home. Outside the family home, here it is given. Fathers use less familiar language to provide their children with a bridge to the kind of speech they will hear in public. Okay. Here it is given. Okay. Next, fill in the blank says, according to the researcher, hearing baby talk from one parent and normal language from other expands the babies of types of speech what they can practice. Okay. Here it is given a kind of speech with mom and another kind of speech with dad. So the kid then has a wider repertoire of kinds of speech to practice. Yes, kinds of speech is there. Kinds of speeches it is given. For kinds of speech it is given is types of speech. Types of speech is given in the question. So our answer is okay. Expands, the baby expands. For expand it is given wider. It is given expands. Instead of using wider, the writer has used expands. The babies, let's write it here. See, it is how it is easy. They are so easy to solve these. Complete the summary or table below like these questions. Within a seconds you can finish these kinds of questions. Meanwhile, another study, let's move on to the next paragraph. Meanwhile, another study carried out by scientists from the University of Washington and the University of Connecticut recorded speech and sound using special. Okay, let's find the word University of Washington and University of Connecticut. Okay, where can I get University of Washington? And same in this D paragraph we have found both words. Okay, let's look at the fill in the blanks. What they are saying: recorded speech and sound using special. Okay, recorded speech and sound using special dash that the babies were equipped with. Okay. Parents and their babies fitting 26 children with audio recording vest that captured language and sound during a typical 8-hour day. Okay, let's do it. What the question is demanding: recorded speech and sound using special. Okay. Between parents and their babies fitted 26 children with audio recording vest that captured language and sound during a typical 8-hour day. Babies were equipped with. So let's write it here. Audio recording vest. It is not fitting in this blank. Audio recording blank. Now audio recording vest or vest. Yes, it is given vest. So these two words are considered. These are not two different words. These are in fact one word. This is one word. Audio recording vest. One and one means two words. We have given a choice of not more than two words. So we are writing it. Instead of writing audio recording, you can write vest only, or you can write the full word audio recording vest. This is considered as one word. Audio and center recording, audio recording vest. Okay. Now we have left with one. When they studied the babies, okay, again at age 2, yes, I know where I can get this word age 2. They found that those who had heard a lot of baby talk, who had heard a lot of baby talk in infancy had a much larger than those who had not. Yes, in this paragraph I found the word age too. Yes, while doing the first type of question we come across this word. Okay, they found that frequent baby talk and had dramatically boosted vocab. Yes, it is given. They found that those who had heard a lot of baby talk in infancy had a much larger is boosted होता है boasted. It is larger instead of given boasted, it is given larger vocabulary. So let's write it here, vocabulary. Where let's read it again. At the age of 2, they found that those who had heard a lot of baby talk in infancy. Where is the word we can found? And researchers, let's read it from here. And when researchers saw the babies at age 2, they found that frequent baby talk had dramatically boosted vocabulary regardless of socio-economic status. Those children who listened to a lot of baby talk were talking more than the babies then listened to more adults. Okay. Parents use their youngsters began to babble. Okay, babies at the age of 2 here means they are in infancy. Baby talk in infancy had a much larger vocabulary than those who had not. Okay, in this way we have finished this. Complete the summary. Next third type of question we have here, question 24 to 26. Reading passage 2 has 6 paragraphs. Okay, yes, we know it. Which paragraph contains the following information? From here to here, these are the instructions. Please read it carefully. Which paragraph contains the following information? Which information? These are the information. We have to find it from 6 paragraphs. Write the correct letter A to F in boxes 24 to 26 on the answer sheet. Okay. 24th is a reference to a change. Now these 3 questions we have left for this paragraph. It is easy to find these. This match the following. Okay. Which paragraph contains the following information? Let's read it. A reference to a change which occurs in babies' brain activity before the end of their first year. Okay. Now, whenever it is a numerical type of a keyword in the question, it is easy to find. Let's look at the paragraph. Okay. 10 weeks is given. Okay. Can we read it? Some research, you have to read it very fast. Some research even suggests that infants are listening to adult speech as early as 10 weeks before being born, gathering the basic building blocks of their family's native tongue. Okay. Before being born, nothing is given about before the end of the final year, but we have to look for the word end of the final year. Okay. Let's read another portion of this question. An example of what some parents do for their baby's benefit before birth. Yes, before birth is here. Yes, in fact we were looking for the 24th. We found the answer for the 25th. Here it is given. Before even suggests that infants are listening to adult speech as early as 10 weeks before being born, gathering the basic building blocks of their family tongue. Yes, we have found the answer A for 25th. Okay, a mention of baby's preference for the sounds that other babies make. Okay, yes, we know it. Where is a mention is explanation, a description of baby's preference for the sounds that other babies make. Here it is given. Listen to those children who listen to a lot of baby talk were talking more than the babies, then listen to more adults. It means here it is given in paragraph D. It is given. We can write D paragraph. Now we have left with 24th. A reference to a change which occurs in babies' brain activity before the end of their first year. Let's read. Let's go to. Now we have done with. We have found the first A paragraph, and of course nothing is given in B, and of course we have already gone through the C paragraph and also D paragraph. Nothing is given like the end of the first year. Let's look at the E paragraph also. First year, we are, of course I am not getting the same word as it is in the question. We have to look for some other kind of words. Okay, let's first year, first before the end of 40% longer. Let's look at the word. Okay, it's 57. Let's read it. We have left with F paragraph only. Okay, a total of 57 babies from two slightly different age groups is 7 months and even played 7 months and even. Okay, syllables from both native. Okay, the infants were placed in a. Okay, a total of 57 babies from two slightly different age groups, 7 months and even 7.5 months, were played a number of syllables from both their native and their non-native tongue. The infants were placed in a known to mentor speech. The result suggested listening to babies. Okay, yes. It is 7 months old brains are already. It means this is the answer. They are talking about 7 months and 7 months and 11.5 months. It means before the finishing of. They are talking about reference to a change which occurs in baby's brain activity before the end of their first year. Yes, we got from here to here. We got the answer. And now let's read it. They are talking about brain's activation scanner that recorded in a brain region known to guide the motor movements. Okay, yes, it is confirmed. They are talking about their brain and before the end of their first year. It means F will come. F will come. So we have finished. In this way we have finished this reading. How baby talk gives infant brains a boost. Thank you so much for watching my videos.